This is the Loolinn U61. It's a kid's drone, but it's a drone that's got a camera and you can attach your phone to it so that you can have a first-person view of the drone flight and you can record the footage as well. It's quite easy to set up. All you do is download the Loolinn app, it's free, install it on your phone. Once it's installed, switch on the drone, switch on the controller, connect your network to Loolinn, start up the Loolinn app, and your camera's recording straight away. How cool is that? Well, let's see, can it fly? Here we have it, flying. So it could take you a few minutes to get the connection going, but once you do, the little Loolinn drone flies really well, and it takes some good footage. So there we go. Now we're outside today where there's not much of a breeze, but there are 3 settings on the Loolinn drone, the U61 Loolinn drone, that you can set. If you're indoors, you press down the right button. 3 beeps means this is if you're out flying and there's quite a wind blowing, and it will hold steady. Not in severe winds, but it will hold steady. And come some quite strong breezes. If you're indoors, 1 beep is enough to let it fly with some accuracy. If you're outdoors and there's a light breeze, press it again and you hear 2 beeps. 2 beeps means you can fly it in a light breeze. And if the breeze picks up, press it again for 3 beeps to give you quite a bit of control. So here is the little Loolinn U61 flying about. Now, as I said, it's a kid's drone. I'm having quite fun playing with this. Now it has a fixed camera, it doesn't have a gimbal, so if the drone banks over to the side, the camera will tilt too. But that's okay, it's just for kids. Come back! So here we go, and it should auto land when you press the button. There you go. So it's lands itself, and you can take it back off again. You turn on the motors, 2 of those in and down, and then up we go. So as you can see, I'm having great fun with this little drone from Loolinn. It comes with 2 batteries. The battery flight time is about, it says in the manual, about 6 minutes. I've been flying around for about 10 minutes on 1 battery. So you get 2 batteries and you get the little charging cables, just USB to the Android type connector, and you can charge it up in a power bank or computer or a plug. And it's really, really fun. Simple to fly, simple to use. Nothing complicated about it. But that's what I think about it. What do the kids think? This is the Loolinn U61. And this is Harry who's going to test it for us today.
Don't let go!
I can't let go or it will just get blown with the wind.
Whoa! That's it! Yes!
Right, hold that one forward like I'm doing. Right, give it a turn around and be very gentle with it. There you go. Oh no! That's it. Good. The other way. Turn it that way. Turn it that way. Good. Good job. Excellent. Well done. So even in a really windy day like today, here's Harry managing to keep it still flying. How does it feel, Harry?
Good.
Feels good, he says.
Oh!
That's it. You go for it.
Set up. Woo! Down, down, down. Rather than 61 and doing it.
A fantastic little kids drone from Loolinn. It's the U61. And I'm just a big kid and I love it.